creators, this is Cassie, aka the Crafting Chef, bringing you another tutorial on behalf of This and That monthly sublimation box. For today's tutorial, I'm working from our April 2022 box titled A Gift for Those Special Women. For today's tutorial, I'm going to sublimate this 20-ounce frosted glass tumbler. It comes with a plastic straw and a bamboo lid. So right now I have part of my design taped on to the front, and I'm going to put this other side, the text on the opposite side. The reason I don't have a full wrap, honestly, I was just trying to save paper because I needed to print something else. And this design was too big to fit on there as a full wrap. So that's all, just saving paper. So I'm gonna go ahead, can look at it from the inside, and I'm making sure that I am lined up. And I like to test it just by peeping in there. Okay, I think that'll be good. So I'll come back over here. I like to turn mine down this way and then pull. I know that may be hard to see, so I just pulled it down. And then when I go the other way, I'm firm pressure and tape it down. Okay. I'm also going to put a piece of tape across the top as well as the bottom. On the bottom, oops, yeah, there's text right in this corner. So I'm just gonna press it down there. One of the things I found while using these frosted jars is that shrink wrap is hard to peel off of these jars and cups that are, it's all the frosted ones. Even the frosted water bottles are the same way. Watched a couple videos where once the shrink wrap gets stuck, it's likely not going to come off. So what I like to do is to take and wrap my design in a piece of copy paper. So I have a piece here, and simple. I'm just going to take it and wrap it, and I will pull it tight, and I'll add a few pieces of tape. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm only really trying to protect the shrink wrap from sticking to the glass. Shrink wrap is not a necessary step. You could tape the mess out of this bad boy and put it in your convection oven. But I have some oversized shrink wrap that is too wide for my tumbler, so I use it for cups like these. And I even cut this shrink wrap down a bit because it was still too tall. This may be one of the products where I probably should have trimmed my copy paper just a little bit because there's so much more, or I cut the shrink wrap a little too short. So I am going to use the bands on here. These help. These are just a regular silicone band, and they help apply pressure on your product. I use them mostly with my tumblers, my 20-ounce skinny tumblers. I put the bands at the top and at the bottom. And I'm going to add the other band down at the bottom. Right now it just came out of my convection oven off a tumbler, so it's hot. So once it cools off just a bit, enough for me to wrap it back around this one, I'm going to put this in my convection oven at about 365 degrees for 8 minutes. If you are using a tumbler press, you want to do 350 degrees for 90 seconds. All right, I have taken it out of the convection oven. It is hot, hot, hot. Bring you all a little closer. How nice is this? Summer has a flavor like no other, always fresh and simmered in sunshine. That is a quote from Miss Oprah Winfrey. This is so stinking cute. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.